Hi everybody and welcome back to Arts and Crafts. Today we are going to be making this cute Valentine's Day, is the glue dry? Okay. This Valentine's Day puzzle hanger. And it's not hard to make and it's not necessarily time consuming. It's just a little tricky because you have to cut cardboard, which is never a fun thing. You have to paint the puzzle pieces, which is a little bit messy, and of course you use hot glue, which is always, it's never my favorite thing. It's always tricky when you use hot glue because as you can see, I still have hot glue strands sticking off of here everywhere. So you'll see in the time-lapse video that the first thing you want to do is you want to make and cut out your heart. Now, if you get a make and take kit, that has already been done for you, so you won't have to worry about that. But if you're doing it on your own, you need to cut a heart out of cardboard. I guess you could use cardstock too if you wanted, like thicker paper, but cardboard's probably better. It'll probably hold up better. You can do it where you have it open in the middle, or you can do it where it's just closed in the middle, so you don't have to cut out that extra part. If you're getting a make and take it from the library, you're doing the open version because it takes less puzzle pieces to cover it if you're not covering the full thing in puzzle pieces. You also don't have to put this banner on it. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. Make and take kits from the library will have the stuff to make the banner, but it's not a necessity. So first thing, cut out the heart, cut it out of cardboard. Then if you're doing the middle, cut the middle out. Then I painted my puzzle pieces because I wanted them to dry a little bit before I put them on. They were not completely dry, and I'm not patient enough to wait for them to completely dry. They're not even completely dry now, but I'm holding it in areas where it's semi-dry or dry enough that I can be holding it. I use regular washable kids paint because it is pretty fast drying, and you know, it got all over my hands because I had to hold the pieces to paint them, and it came off very quickly. The whole goal was to not get it on my shirt and not get it on my pants, and I think for the filming purposes of this, I succeeded in doing that. I know it can come out because it's washable, but I don't like to make a mess. So painted those and put them aside. Then I measured for my banner, and then I cut it out to the size I wanted it to be, and I did this little like foldy thing so it kind of looked like it was 3D. And then after that, I laid the banner over the heart to figure out where the ends were gonna have to go, and I just kind of made little marks so I didn't put puzzle pieces there so that there was enough room for my banner. Then I probably could have waited a little longer for the pieces to dry. They were not dry, but oh well, I wanted to get it done so I could show all of you. So I ended up using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I ended up using 15 puzzle pieces for the size heart that I drew. It worked out good because I have a 1,000-piece puzzle, and that's what we're pulling from for make and take, so I didn't use up too many, and there will definitely be plenty for the kits. But I did mine in 3 colors, pink, red, and white, because those are Valentine's Day-y colors. I know this one looks a little bit purple. The pink that I had and the puzzle pieces that we have, the original puzzle pieces, the backs are blue. So it just came out looking a little purpley, but it's still Valentine's Day. It's still nice. I painted those. They were dry-ish, dry enough to glue on. So I hot glued them all the way around the outside of the heart, leaving room for the sides of the banner. And then I wrote my message on my banner. You could have it say whatever you want. You could have it say Happy Valentine's Day. You could have it say I love you. You could have it say go away. You could have it say whatever you want. You can write whatever you want on your banner. And I glued that down. I actually didn't leave enough space. I probably should have left a little more space because it overlaps, but it's okay. It doesn't look bad, just not the way I wanted it. And then the last thing I did was cut a piece of ribbon and glue the ribbon to the back so I could hang my creation up if I wanted to. Maybe I'll hang it down here somewhere, who knows. But that is all there is to it for making this craft. Make and take kits are available, and while supplies last. I think I'll be making about 10 of them. So if you want to come get one of those, it's going to have everything except the glue, a marker, and the paint. Everything else will be included, and the heart will already be cut for you. So that is, maybe I won't cut the heart for you. Maybe I'll just give you a piece of cardboard and add another layer to it. You have to cut it yourself. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. We will see on kit day what is in there. But you will have cardboard either way. Even if the heart is not cut for you, you will have cardboard, puzzle pieces, ribbon, and I will cut the banner for you. Or give you a piece of white paper for you to cut the banner yourself. I don't know. I never know how hard to make these because I never know if our bigger kids are going to do them or if our younger kids are going to do them, because our younger kids probably need a little bit more done for them. Our bigger kids can do it themselves. So we will see. But that is this craft. Hopefully you enjoy it. Hopefully you like this Valentine's Day theme craft, and we'll see you back here for the next arts and crafts. Have a great day.